Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ercan Polat. I'm a senior Sitecore developer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Sitecore XP10 using Sitecore Install Assistant. So navigate to devsitecore.net. You will see there is a Sitecore Experience Platform 10. It's less than, I think, 2 weeks this version came up. Click download. It has a bunch of new features, but we are not going to talk about the features. We are going to talk about how to install. So it has two graphical setup packages, one for XP, one for XM scaled. Click the XP single. Before you can actually come here, you have to sign in. I already signed in, and you say I accept. So it's downloaded for you. I already downloaded and copied this to my desktop, and it's a zip file. I extracted here, and there are a bunch of files, JSON files and packages. Right click to set up, exe, run as administrator. Yes, and it's very simple and straightforward. Say yes. I already installed the prerequisites, so we can skip this. I have two instances. One is 8983 and 8984, so I'm changing this to 8985, and I will name this as XP10A. Maybe I have another version and underscore. That's my Solar directory, and install. If you had already Solar installed, you don't have to do this, and you can skip this. So the Solar is installed, and click next. That's the prefix. I will say XP10A, and select this license file. Next. So this, I have two instances of SQL, and I will make sure that I use 2019. That's why I'm copying this. Next. Since you installed Solar with this install assistant, it's automatically fills this. But if you would install Solar yourself, you had to update this section. But it should be fine. Select next, and I want to install also SXA. Next, verify the prefix, license, Solar, name. Looks good. It's validates. Install. I don't know how long it will take. It's 4:11, but if it takes too long, I will make it faster during the video. Oh, 92. and the installation is done. We started like 411. It took like 17 minutes just the installation part, which includes the SXA. The only thing that we skipped was the precast this, and this takes like maximum 4-5 minutes. Let's see. So it took total 23 minutes, and this is 4 minutes for the precast this. You can download in less than 30 minutes. The beauty is this: you don't have to worry about the precast this. You don't have to worry about solar. You don't have to worry about the packages. You don't have to worry about PowerShell script updates, and it's really nice. Let's continue. And we are done. I'm gonna just check one more. It's Solar 8.4, and here we have the indexes course. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this is very simple. It's very fast to install an instance and check, but with PowerShell you have more flexibility. You can scale, you can do much more. So thanks for watching.